All right, so this is the A2A deep dive. And so just to recap, I have another deep dive for PubSub, but we have multiple agents that are talking to each other over PubSub topics. And, and these agents are implementing A2A client and A2A server to a degree, um, but also with more features than the A2A protocol that was released by Google. In my case, the agents are publishing to topics, and there could be in the unlimited number of agents listening or apps listening to these topics to process the requests and also provide responses to the agent. The example from Google just had one agent talking to another agent over SSE. Um, where they have like a socket where the response would be streaming, and mine allows you to have many different agents streaming or responding at the same time. And I'm actually utilizing that concept with the generator agent that uses a image generation tool that while the generator agent is streaming HTML output, the image generation tool is publishing to the same topic, but it's publishing the image payload, and then the web app stitches them together. Um, so yeah, I think mine is a little bit cooler implementation, but may have to contribute back to the protocol once I finalize all the details. So let's look at some of the details here. Mhm. All right, so we have the generator agent that is the streaming agent, and it's just got the main endpoint. After that, it looks at what kind of request it got, only supports the send task streaming request. And then we execute that request and then publish to topic our response. So that's pretty simple. The builder agent implements it's the same structure where it uses kind of that main endpoint that then executes on send task. So again, but this one supports only non-streaming events, non-streaming requests. So once it gets that, then it publishes a response, which could be a completed response or an input required. But also, uh, in between these, it's actually going to be streaming. Or no, this one is not streaming. So yes, it's only got um, those two. And when it's done, it will actually publish a task request. All right, so that's so this one is a publish a task request, and then it also responds that it's completed. So then it basically passes the request to another agent once it's completed the creation of the website specification. And let's look at the model real quick. So the model is mostly the same one from Google's example. Had to modify a couple of things. You can see I'm only supporting two. I think there are five or maybe even more different types in the Google example. I am implementing the agent card and agent skills, but I'm not using them. I'm not implementing authentication. Um, but um, But yeah, most of this just made some improvements to make it easier to code against the responses. And that's pretty much it for the deep dive.